Hi, everybody. It's Jeff with Agent 509. Hey, just a quick reminder for tomorrow that we have 2 open houses. And hey, come and take a look. Come walk through these houses. Debbie's going to be up at Clayton Homes, and that's going to be from 12 to 3. Take a look at the events page here. I guess it'd be to the side here of Facebook. And also, I'm going to be up at a very cool home. Even though the weather doesn't really show it as nice right now because we've got all this snow. But this is one of my favorite areas in Wenatchee, and this is Sunrise Circle. And very few homes come on the market like this in this neighborhood. I can only count like 3 in the last 2 or 3 years, and this is one of them. And it's fantastic. I think out of all the 3, it's my favorite. So anyways, if you get a chance, take a look at that. I'm going to be there from 12 to 3. We're going to have coffee. I'll have hot chocolate. I'll have some hors d'oeuvres, something to eat. Anyways, we'll give you a tour of this house and take a look. It's really special there, right in that Sunrise Circle. Very special place in Wenatchee. So, all right, I'm going skiing. Yep, going to go skiing today. So, going to take some friends up. We're going to go, and they got me convinced today's the day to go. So I'm going. But anyways, you guys all have a great day, and thanks for working with Agent 509. Much appreciated. Always stay healthy. All the best. Thank you.